Hello, today we're going to be learning about periodic table mnemonics. Mnemonic is a device such as formula or rhyme used as an aid in remembering. Here, for example, mnemonics for carbon is copy. Here C of copy is taken. Then we have high hydrogen. We have authentic gold, age of silver, B for boron, pneumoron, and dysprosium. We have holy god mercury, bloody hell borium, and C friends at California for californium. Then we have chlorine, the cleaning lady, dub decibel, Cu copper, and curious Marie curium. Then we have drumstick for drum stadium, Burger King at Berkelium, and creature hates Potter for potassium. Then we have E is equal to mc square. We've taken E and square from here for Einsteinium. Then we have Laurentian, which is law rules, and fancy embroidered ironing for the Fe of iron. Then we have gadolinium, God without an O, house snake hisium, and state bank money for antimony. Then we have classroom crone, half full for half medium, take care technically, and naranja soda for sodium.
The first separation technique, that is evaporation. Evaporation is a technique used to separate a homogeneous mixture that contains one or more dissolved salts. The method dries off the liquid components from the solid component. The process typically involves heating the mixture until no more liquid remains. Prior to using this method, the mixture should only contain one liquid component, unless it is not important to isolate the liquid components. This is because all liquid components will evaporate over time. The evaporation method is suitable to separate a soluble solid from a liquid. In many parts of the world, table salt is obtained from the evaporation of seawater. The heat for the process comes from the sun.
The second separating technique, that is centrifugation. Centrifugation is a method of separating the suspended particles of a substance from a liquid in which the mixture is rotated at a high speed in a centrifuge. Centrifugation is done by using a machine called a centrifugate. In the method of centrifugation, the mixture of fine suspended particles in a liquid is taken in a test tube. The test tube is placed in a centrifuge machine and rotated rapidly for some time. As the mixture rotates rapidly, a force acts on the heavier suspended particles in it and brings them down the bottom of the test tube. The clear liquid, being lighter, remains on the top. Milk is a suspension of tiny droplets of oil in a watery liquid. The process of centrifugation is used in dairies to separate cream from milk.
Separation by separating funnel. A mixture of two immiscible liquids can be separated by using a separating funnel. A separating funnel is a special type of funnel which has a stopcock in its stem to allow the flow of a liquid from it or to stop the flow of liquid from it. The separation of two immiscible liquids by a separating funnel depends on the difference in their densities. The mixture of two immiscible liquids is put in a separating funnel and allowed to stand for some time. The mixture separates into two layers according to their density of the liquid in it. The heavier or denser liquid forms the lower layer, whereas the lighter liquid forms the upper layer. On the opening the stopcock of separating funnel, the low layer of heavier liquids come out first and collected in a beaker. When the lower layer of heavy liquid completely run off, the stopcock is closed. The lighter liquid in the upper layer is collected in a separate beaker by opening the stopcock again. For example, water and kerosene, petrol and water, oil and water.
Sublimation. The changing of a solid state directly into vapors or heating and vapors into solid on cooling is called sublimation. The solid substance which undergoes sublimation is called as sublime. The solid substance obtained on cooling the vapors is called sublimate. The process of sublimation is used to separate those substances from a mixture which sublime on heating. The substance like ammonium chloride, iodine sublime on heating and can be recovered in the form of sublimate by cooling their vapors. Most of the solid substances do not undergo sublimation.
Fifth method of separation technique, that is chromatography. Chromatography is a technique of separating two or more dissolved solids which are present in a solution in very small quantities. By paper chromatography, two or more different substances present in the same solution can be separated. Two or more substances are soluble in same solvent, but their solubilities may be different. For example, black ink is a mixture of several colored substances which can be separated by this method. Chromatography is used to separate solution of colored substance. It is also used in forensic sciences to detect and identify trace amount of substance in the content of bladder and stomach. It is used to separate small amount of products of chemical reaction.
Filtration. The process of removing insoluble solid from a liquid using a filter paper is called filtration. The mixture of insoluble solid and liquid is poured into a filter paper cone fixed in a funnel by using a glass rod as a guide. The liquid passes through a filter paper and collects in the beaker kept below the funnel. The solid particles do not pass through the filter paper and remain behind on the filter paper. The solid substance left behind on filter paper is called residue. The clear liquid obtained is called filtrate. For example, a mixture of chalk and water, sand and water, etc. A heterogeneous mixture of a solid and a liquid can be separated by the process of filtration.